In 60 seconds, I'll show how to transfer crypto from Binance to IQ Option safely and quickly. Open your Binance wallet and tap Assets to view your cryptocurrency balances. Choose the crypto you want to send. USDT is common, then tap Withdraw. Select the correct network to match IQ Option, then paste the IQ Option deposit address. Enter the amount, review fees, and double-check the address character by character. Confirm the withdrawal and wait for the transaction to show as pending or successful. Now open IQ Option and go to Deposit, then choose Cryptocurrency as the method. Select the same token and network you used on Binance to avoid lost funds. Paste or scan the QR for the IQ Option deposit address, enter the amount, and confirm. Wait for network confirmations and watch your IQ Option balance update. Always verify networks, check fees, and send a small test amount if unsure. That's it, transfer complete. Follow these steps and trade confidently. Subscribe for more quick tutorials.